All right, so here we go. It's Mr. Emmons. Real quick video overview of how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So for me, first things first, I like to rewrite the expression. So instead of 8n squared minus 36n all divided by 4n, we're going to break that up into 8n squared divided by 4n, and then this minus 36n divided by 4n. Then from here, it's just a matter of dividing our coefficients and either subtracting or reducing our exponents. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. N squared divided by n, I can either say that's n to the 2 minus 1, which is 1, or I could say to myself, well, if I have it 2 n's on top and an n on the bottom, those would just reduce and I'd be left with a single n in the numerator. So overall, 8n squared divided by 4n gives us 2n. Minus, right, second half of the problem, 36 divided by 4 is 9, and then n divided by n, you can say they reduce to a factor of 1. They cancel, however you want to phrase it, or n to the first divided by n to the first, 1 minus 1 is 0, n to the 0 is 1. Either way, it's just minus 9. So final answer here, 2n minus 9. In example 2, again, I think that first step is pivotal. We're going to take the first portion of the numerator, the first term, negative 14, x to the 12th, y to the 5th, and we're going to put that over the monomial denominator, 7x squared y squared, plus then 7x squared y squared divided by 7x squared y squared. And from here, we're just reducing those two fractions separately. Negative 14 divided by 7 gives us a negative 2. X to the 12th divided by x to the second, we subtract our exponents, so x to the 10th. And then y to the 5th divided by y to the second. Again, we subtract our exponents, 5 minus 2, we get y to the third. Now this second portion plus, I could go piece by piece, 7 divided by 7, our coefficients, 1, x squared divided by x squared. We do subtract our exponents, 2 minus 2 is 0, x to the power of 0, that's just 1. Or you could say x to the second divided by x to the second is just 1. The same thing happens with our y squareds. Okay, so it really does just end up being 1. If you do look at the entire numerator, 7x squared y squared, divided by 7x squared y squared, well, it's the same thing, right? Anything divided by itself is just 1. So in the end, our final answer here for this expression, we get negative 2 times x to the 10th times y to the third plus 1. All right. And so for today, you're just going to go through all of these practice problems and just do the evens. No, I think the odds. I'd like you to do the odds because in particular, I'm interested in how we perform with this one. It's a little bit of a curveball. So that's your objective for today, to divide all of these polynomials by a monomial and complete the odd numbered problems. And that's it. Thanks for watching.